What's up, y'all? So I'm doing this quick video. I said I'm gonna do a video every day, and I meant that. But tomorrow gonna be a little different. It's gonna be probably me just talking to y'all. The market is closed right now, but I'm gonna show you what's going on with the Nasdaq, S&P 500, gold, silver, and yeah. I haven't looked at Bitcoin, but we can go look at that in this video. I'm not trading Nasdaq or S&P 500 because I feel like it's so manipulated and I don't know. I just feel like I shouldn't trade it. I mean, it looked like it could be a good trade right here coming up next week. But yeah, but as you can see, like I guess you can say it corrected up and then it just fell. And I guess you could say that for the S&P 500. The same thing basically happened. But me personally, I do not want to trade them right now. I feel like it's too manipulated at this point in time. It's too much. It's just not giving me clean moves. So I decided not to trade them no more. I mean, I did trade, as you can see, the other day. I was testing like a little strategy out. I was testing something out just to see if it works. But yeah, we go to gold. As you can see, gold. Me personally, I was trying to tell the dude actually that was silver. Actually, I was talking about, but I was looking at gold, and I told the guy it was a guy in there. I told him in the Discord that gold. He was shorting gold, but I asked him why was he shorting gold, and I can't remember what he said, but I was saying yeah, it looked like you can go short now, but on a higher time frame, I think we're overall going to be bullish. But that don't mean we can't come back down short because there is places that hasn't been corrected yet. So we haven't fully corrected right here. We haven't fully corrected right here. So I believe that we still can come down, but overall, I want to be bullish because the daily time frame we're correcting, and that's what I really wanted that guy to understand. Don't just analyze it. Don't just take me saying bullish, analyze it, because I said we still have room to correct, but we also in a no trade zone, as you can see. I didn't tell him we was in a no trade zone, but as you can see, we is. So this area right here it's a no trade zone. So I wanted to see price get up above this, so we can go higher, or even above right here, or this white area to go higher. But for right now, I'm still waiting because me personally, I don't think we're finished correcting just yet. Now we know buyers, we want to buy up, we want to, but right now we just not finished correcting, and that's how I see gold right now. That's how I see it. But let's go to silver. Yes, I do got these. This one right here, this area right here. I'm trying to test something out. And actually, I'm gonna show you. But before I show y'all, let me clear all this stuff out so I can actually explain what I'm looking at and what I'm seeing and what I told a guy in the Discord. I told him what I was thinking the price is doing. I forgot how to how to clear it out. I think it's right here. What was it? It was one of these tools. There you go. Hat off. Okay. So what I was basically looking at, like he was just going straight off of just longs. Like he was like, yeah, we longing. And I was trying to tell him like, cause I think he said something about the daily time frame look bullish, and it doesn't. It looks like it's bearish. Like it don't. But I was trying to like I don't think he understood what I was saying. I was telling him like, okay, if you look at the 4-hour chart, it had a high, then it made a lower high, then it made another lower high. Even though we pushed above this lower high after the fact, I told him this, cause we was like right here on this candle, and he was saying, yeah, we bullish. Okay, we're not. We're bearish. We haven't. This is the main high right here. We have to break to be bearish, or if we start making higher highs, we could be bearish. I mean, bullish. But just off of this price action and the way the market structure is, I'm still bearish. And I was trying to get him to understand that I was bearish because of something I seen where, as you can see right here, price keep bouncing off of this level. On a 4-hour, this candle right here that I'm on, this black candle right here that I'm on, it didn't close below this area where price keep bouncing off. But on the hourly, it did. And I seen that before on gold, where when price closed below the level where or above the level where price keep bouncing from on hourly, and then it end up coming back there on a 4-hour, and it just keep going. So I'm trying to get him like to understand that, bro, but he didn't want to listen to me. And then what ended up happening was we brought up a little bit, but we ended up selling off overall. I was trying to get him to understand like we're bearish overall on the time frame. Like if that's why trend lines can help you at a point. It can, because overall this is still bearish overall off of this right here. Still bearish. And I want to see price come down lower to this area right here and just keep going, because on gold that same thing basically happened over here, where price closed above this area right here on the hourly, but on the 4-hour it did not. It was a wick. But as soon as we came down and came back up, we just kept going up. And I feel like that same thing is happening right there. And then at this point, it looked like it's happening right here too. So I want to see us correct a little bit down and then go up. I think Sky has gotten a trade. He got in the trade like somewhere around here for shorts. And yeah, he in it because I think we broke this low right here. It made him get into it. I can't exactly remember what he showed, but that's the overall look for me. Reason why I don't want to really trade this area, because of how buyers and sellers are in control in this area on gold. But on silver, I'm testing out this right here, this area right here. I'm testing out something I'm gonna show you, but overall I want to see us come short and go shorter a little bit, and then end up going back higher, because we still got areas down here we got to correct. But let me show y'all what I'm talking about. I'm trying to test out Cause I missed the trade this morning, bro. I missed the trade, bro. I was really looking for the trade. I was looking for, like, I didn't wait to 9:30. I should have waited to 9:30. But as you can see right here, we swept right here. We swept a low right here, so which made this an order block, which people wouldn't say this is an order block, but it really is, because an order block sweeps liquidity. And if you look right here, let me find my box right here. We marked this out right here. This is an order block right there. That's an order block. The reason, man, is because it swept liquidity. How did they sweep liquidity? Right here. Swept liquidity, which made it an order block. So if you take and mark it up from the body right here at the bottom and to this top wick, or you can mark it up to just the body, you will see that it hits the consequent encroachment of this order block. So you could have took this all the way down. So I missed it, but that's why I got this level right here, because the same thing is happened right here. So I want to see price basically get to the area. Matter of fact, let me move it just a little bit off of the wick. But I want to see price actually. I want to see price get there basically and sell off. And that's why I just want to see if it works. But I do know that it would have worked right here. But I missed it, bro. And the way you can find, like, know exactly is because you know, if you know where price is going, then you can know where that order block is going, what the direction that order block is going to form, where you can sell or buy. But I'm waiting for that to happen next week. Beginning of next week, I want to see if it works. But I do want to see price get down here on silver and sell off. And that's that on silver. But let's go to Bitcoin and see what's going on with Bitcoin. I've been trading Bitcoin. It is something just for fun. I do know that I want to see Bitcoin crash this year, 2026. Right now, it's just consolidating still, as you can see. It might go up a little bit and then end up crashing. But yeah, bro, that's really it, man, for the market. Excuse me. That's really it right now for the market, man. Be patient. I'm being patient. I'm probably gonna buy my account next week. Just been paper trading right now. I'm trying to be patient with myself and then have great psychology, so I get payouts and all that. But tomorrow video it's gonna be a little different. I'm not gonna just be talking on the chart. I'm probably gonna do some I'll be talking about some motivation. I was gonna do it today, but it was like, all right, let me save that for tomorrow and just talk about what happened today on the chart. But I am probably most likely going to put something in the video about trading in the chart or something. But we'll see. But yeah, that's all for the video. I'm out.